What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a short review on the American Trade Hotel in the Casco Viejo, Panama City, Panama. Want to show you guys my room, do a little room tour, show you a couple of shots here of the actual hotel. It's a beautiful property. Thought I'd give you guys a quick review and show you what it's like to stay here. I'm gonna be staying here for the whole weekend, so my wife and I are gonna be doing a couple things. I'm gonna bring you guys along, all right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the room. The American Trade Hotel offers a variety of rooms. I actually stayed in the Esquina Junior Suite, which is a corner room with a balcony. My room was located towards the rear side of the hotel, so I didn't have the best view, but it was still nice to be able to step outside and catch some fresh air on the balcony. I would suggest you request a room towards the front of the hotel with a view of the plaza instead. The room itself is a very generous room size. The decor is very classy and furnished nicely, with a comfortable king-size bed, a sofa, we had a table for two, a 32-inch flat screen TV, a large full-body mirror, among other amenities. Overall, the room was very comfortable and I really liked the decor. Oh, and let's not forget the mini bar that is stocked with a variety of drinks and snacks. I later found out that all wood furnishings in the rooms are made of reclaimed Panamanian wood, which I found pretty interesting. The bathroom in the suite was also very spacious and has a separate toilet area. The shower has a rainfall shower head that makes the shower experience extra nice. The American Trade Hotel is located in the heart of the Old Spanish Quarter in Panama City, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The hotel is actually located on Calle José de Obaldía, between 9th and 10th Street. Something to keep in mind if you're going to book here is that this is a city center type hotel. There's a lot of things going on in this area, so if you're looking for a resort style hotel with a lot of peace and quiet, then this may not be a good option for you. For me personally, I really like the location of the American Trade Hotel because you pretty much have everything you need within walking distance. You have cafes, restaurants, bars, clubs, plazas, and supermarkets all around you. So it's very conveniently located in the center of Casco Viejo. And if you want to visit other parts of the city, you're just a short car ride away. The hotel has a very nice pool area. It's actually a rooftop pool, and while it's a small pool, keep in mind that this is a small luxury style hotel. It's perfect for taking a dip to cool off and unwind. And one of my favorite areas in the entire hotel is the killer courtyard that they have. I really enjoyed hanging out there late in the afternoon. It's the perfect place to grab a book and relax. Okay guys, let's go in here and check out the library here on the second floor of the American Trade Hotel. Came in there last night briefly. It's a real cool vibe in there. It's just a small library with like a 1920s, 1930s vibe. It has that old feel to it, but it's pretty neat. Let's go take a look. When you enter the American Trade Hotel, you can't help but to notice its elegant design throughout the lobby. Actually, throughout the entire hotel for that matter. It has a contemporary design, yet it has this old colonial vibe to it. There's definitely a mix of Latin American colonial and modern decor. Behind the lobby is the dining room, which is the hotel's only restaurant. I ate there twice, once for dinner and then on my last day I had brunch there. On both occasions there was a very pleasant ambiance. The staff was very nice and the food was really good, especially during brunch. They even had some live music during brunch, which I enjoyed very much. The American Trade Hotel has two entrances. I'm going to explain this to you here. Right now I'm on Central Avenue, Avenida Central. As you can see here, it's a one-way, it goes this way, and I have the hotel directly behind me. This entrance right here is actually the entrance to the restaurant part of the hotel. The main entrance to the hotel can be a little tricky. I'm standing right in front of the main entrance to the lobby. This is where you would check in. You want to get dropped off in front of the Plaza Herrera. This is what their website says. This is their main address. The door right here, it doesn't have a sign or anything that identifies the building as American Trade Hotel, so it can be a little tricky if you're looking for it. Just make sure when you're coming to check in, or if you plug it in on the GPS, the easiest way would be to come into Plaza Herrera. You cannot miss it. Here is the Plaza Herrera, as you can see right behind me, the Plaza Square. You have that horse over there, that statue of the horse in Tomás Herrera. You can't miss the hotel if you find that. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my review on the American Trade Hotel here in Panama. Very nice stay here. Really enjoyed it with my wife. If you're ever in Panama, you know, check it out. The service was great. The presentation is awesome down there. The food was great. Really enjoyed my stay here. So it's a small luxury hotel, yet has nice big rooms as you can see here. I think its location is fantastic also because it's in the heart of the old city here and everything's within walking distance. And I want to thank the American Trade Hotel for having me. Giving you my honest review. They did invite me to stay here, so I just want to put that out there. This is my honest review. I really enjoyed it. So that's gonna do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Check out my content. Stick around if you like, and I'd appreciate a thumbs up on this one. See you guys in the next one, all right? Take care. Peace.